Good morning, YouTube. We back in it, man. We back in that summer heat on this Saturday morning. You know, I still look tired. Stayed up pretty late, but let's get started. Okay, you can see the compressor turn on, but not the fan. Fairly new system, but I can almost guarantee it definitely needs to get washed, but we're gonna diagnose into it furthermore. Alright, so first off, I know I was getting my voltage, my 240 going through, and then the contact is getting the signal to turn on. I don't know if y'all can see it pushed in. But then we go to this component. Can't really see what it's reading for. Okay, now I can. So it's ready for. My camera 40 and then a 5. So I changed this to microfarads, and I am getting on the fan 0 and on my